Hey you all, today I'm going to be narrating a microdermabrasion facial on my sibling Chris. Whether you're a fellow professional, skincare enthusiast, or a newbie, I hope this will be helpful and or interesting to watch. So let's get into it. The first step to all of my facials is Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse, which helps to break down oil, product, and debris on the surface of the skin. You want to apply this product dry, work it in, then add water to emulsify. You can see when I zoom in that adding water turns the pre-cleanse milky, which then allows me to remove it with water and cotton 4x4s. My second cleanser is always chosen according to the client's skin type and my desired results. So for Chris's oily skin, I'm using Dermalogica Active Clay Cleanser, working that into the skin under the steam. And P.S. I normally wear a face shield during facials when I'm not working on a family member, and I'll probably continue to do so at least during the steam and extractions so nothing gets into my eyes or my mouth. Finally, I'm removing that cleanser with 4x4s. I take my time with the double cleansing step of the facial because I really want my client's skin to get clean. Like, no one wants to leave a facial feeling not clean. Next, I move into my microdermabrasion. So my sister's skin is a bit red, so I use a fine grit for both passes with a relatively low suction. It's really important to hold the skin taut and pull away from where you're holding the skin to prevent like bruising or hickeying on the skin. And then it's important to use small strokes, both to prevent hickeying and bruising, but also to get better exfoliation. So that's why I take small strokes, and then with my second pass, I usually move in a perpendicular direction to achieve cross-hatching on my client's skin. I also am going to abstain from performing microdermabrasion on any areas of the skin that are simply too raw to abrade over. Then I use the micro wand, which also has a fine grit, to treat smaller areas. I always go in the order of eyes first, then lips, then the nose, in order to avoid potentially harmful cross-contamination. Does that feel okay? Mm-hmm. Now moving into arguably the best part, extractions. I always start with my fingers and tissues or 4x4s wrapped around them and extract as much as I can with that method. Then I spot treat with a comedone extractor if needed. For me, whichever method allows me to extract most effectively with the least amount of pressure is the method that's the least painful and causes the least trauma to the skin. And depending on the area that I'm working on, this could mean fingers or comedone extractor. By the way, I would love it if you could comment down below. Do you enjoy that this video has an educational voiceover element to it, or would you prefer that it's just kind of like relaxing and satisfying all the way through with no voiceover, or do you kind of prefer a combination of both? Let me know down below. Now to calm and disinfect the area, I'm going in with post-extraction solution from Dermalogica. I actually use this throughout like the whole extraction process, but I just wanted to show a clip of me actually using it. Now to calm and hydrate the skin, we are going to do a rubberizing lavender mask. This one is from Prosana, and I just love the results that it gives. Applying and removing this mask is so satisfying. Applying it is just like icing a cake. It's great. It's fabulous. It's super satisfying. While the mask sets, it's time to perform a relaxing upper body massage. So I'm working the décolleté, upper arms, back of the neck, upper back, and the ears and the scalp. Now for another very fun part, we are removing the rubberizing mask in as few pieces as possible, ideally one, but you are going to get a little bit of residue at the end. So what I do is I use a dampened microfiber towel and work it in very light circular motions, and that takes off the remnants of the mask quite well. And then for a toner and treatment serum in one, I'm using the Viktoria Deann Pepti-Repair. This serum utilizes peptides to stimulate your skin's natural repair process, which is great for any facial with microdermabrasion or extractions. Then I'm applying the Dermalogica Niacinamide Pro Serum to help keep future breakouts at bay. Then I am using the Dermalogica Multivitamin Power Firm Eye Cream. My clients love this one. It leaves the eyes feeling so soft. I am finishing off with the Clear Start Hydrating Soothing Lotion. This helps to calm and treat acne-prone skin and keep it hydrated without depositing oil or anything greasy feeling. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and leave me a comment down below with any questions or what you want to see next. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.